Hey, good evening, everyone. Right, I want to remind you the rules for trading. So again, I reduced some of the tickers which will be slow tickers. I kept some tickers which are generally which move fast, so that we don't need to look at all the notifications. So right, we have one of our main trigger is price pulse buy or price pulse sell. Right, or if you want quick entries, you can also do T3 buy or price pulse buy, top trend buy. But if you want to wait for a proper signal, then price pulse buy, price pulse sell, they will give you a better opportunity. So whenever we get a price pulse buy, you have to go and check, okay, is it overbought or oversold? Whenever you get a buy, we should be oversold. That means it is a green color, means oversold. Whenever you get a sell, if you are overbought, that is a good opportunity. Then immediately you can enter if the candle is close to the T5 line, right? If the candle is so far away, you wait for a pullback. If not, immediately you can take two contracts and quickly make some $300 $400. So in the morning time, we do this with 5 minutes. In the evening time, we can do with 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So what I did, I created alert on the price pulse buy, price pulse sell. Whenever I get an alert, I'll go and check for the notification. And then, for example, I got a price pulse signal. I have to go and see what is the signal I got. I got a buy signal. So again, you can also include T55. For simplicity's sake, I'm just using two to keep it simple. So we got a buy signal, but the table and all these things are not matching, and also it is very choppy. So we can ignore the signal. Then for copper also we got a buy, but we are at the top of right here we are overbought. So for buy you need to get a oversold. And for silver, if we get a if we get a sell signal now, PP sell, we are at a overbought area now. Then that will be a good combination, right? You should have a red one and a sell, or you should have a green and a buy. So today morning you saw like how we made profits with SPX, NDX, ES, MQ, all those things in the live session. So do you think we can take a shot on copper? I think it's a good opportunity because they right. One is either it should be close to T5 line or there should be a big sell order block here. then it may not go all the way to the T5 line if there is a big sell order, right? This will act as a resistance. So if you see this, right, it became overbought. That means it sellers try to bring it down, buyers took it up. Again, finally, sellers took the control, bringing it all the way down. At the same time, we can see there are a lot of sellers, new sellers, and it went all the way to the top of the consolidation window, which will act as a resistance. We can see momentum is bearish, trend strength is bearish. So immediately, right, if you are trading in 1 minute, if you are 135 are looking bearish, that is good enough. So immediately we took a shot and quickly made some $100. Right? So let's wait for the next opportunity. Here we got a sell, but this is at the bottom. So better we ignore it, right? Whenever you get a sell, it is somewhere in the top, that will be a good opportunity. Right here you got a sell, then it is at the top. It went all the way down. That would have made $400-500 easily. If we get a pullback, we can take a shot on NKD because it is also looking very bearish, right? Your table is looking bearish. This is looking bearish. Here it is looking bearish. We got a price pulse sell. So if it tries to go up, immediately I have my sell orders. This is a perfect buy opportunity. So here if you see, whenever you got that, you got a PP buy and also at same time I got a oversold. This is a perfect confluence. And then you can ask that, oh, we got a, but here there is no sell signal. right? If you get this one, but there is no sell, you can ignore that. Here we got all these ones, we got a sell, so there is a high possibility for it to drop. Yeah, it may do a pullback, but finally it will come all the way down to this 36,970. Right, if we want to, we can add another two contracts. If it goes all the way to the top, we can average two more contracts. Yeah, once we see some red candles, we can add one or two more contracts. Copper, I'm adding one more time. I'm trying to short it because there is a lot of gap here. The momentum is bearish, so it should come all the way down. Okay, then I think we made enough. Right, yesterday also we did over trading. Today morning also we made nearly 6 7,000. Then did some over trading and lost some of those gains. So better once we make some nice gains quickly, it is better we stop for the day. And then again tomorrow we can make nice profits in the morning with ES and NQ. Tomorrow we have PPI, just like CPI. PPI is for manufacturing or the companies to know whether their cost is increasing or not. It won't be that much impact as CPI, but still generally, yeah, it will be same. Like there is a possibility that NQ and ES can go up. Yeah, you should not trade pro accounts during any news event. But if you have evaluation accounts, today also was very good opportunity because yesterday we traded so long. That's why I was not able to do live session. Otherwise, that would have made huge profits today because it was oversold. And then inflation reports came well as expected. That would have right. If you use that strategy with NQ, that would have SPX puts the same strategy, right? I explained many times. So today morning, right, we got this perfect confluence where our T5 became green, our price pulse became blue, we got a price pulse buy. This came all the way to the bottom and we got a oversold signal. Then basically we went below. We saw that there were a lot of buy orders here. We went below that and we took a bull put spread. So when it went all the way up, the bull puts made huge profits. Right, again when it went all the way to the top, at the end of the day, we saw that we are somewhere at a premium zone at a resistance. And then we took the bear call spreads. Right, we took the bear call spreads above. It started dropping. Then we went above and then we took bear calls. We made profits with bull puts and bear calls. So every day you can do the same thing. Right, if you attended live session, I explained, right? You just watch for this single type of scenario where you have oversold buy signal. If this oversold is at the bottom, then that will be a perfect opportunity. So you saw the same thing with Amazon, right? We got Amazon calls and made nice profits today, right? Same thing. It came right nearly 70, and then we got a buy signal, price pulse buy, T5 buy, price pulse became blue, then it went all the way up. Then what else we got? Yeah, nearly with SPX and DX, and then we got UPST. The same situation. It came all the way to the bottom, close to the oversold area. Then we got a price pulse buy. Then it moved all the way to the top. So it is a logic is same whether you use stocks, options, futures, currencies, whatever it is, you have to use the same concept. Wait for a price pulse buy or price pulse sell. Whenever you get it, you check whether it is oversold or overbought. If you get a buy signal and if it is oversold, very good opportunity. If you get a sell signal and if it is overbought, very good opportunity. If not, you just wait for some other signal. There will be a lot of opportunities every day. There will be 40, 50 opportunities. So you don't need to get in with a FOMO, right? Yeah. So here this was 58. It was choppy, right? When you take somewhere in between, 58 is like somewhere in between. It came down and immediately started going up. I took a wrong trade here. So better you only wait for that overbought or oversold. In that way, we won't be taking the choppy trades. When it is at the top, it will definitely drop. Whenever it is at the bottom, it will definitely go up. Whenever it is in the middle, it can go up or go down. So that is little risky. So the T55 is basically same thing. That is one more confluence, right? Whenever I got a buy, right? For example, in the morning I got a buy signal, right? I got a price pulse buy. I can see that it came to the downtrend, then all this orange are slowly becoming blue, blue, blue. It started going up. So you have a perfect confluence. This gave a buy, this gave a buy, this gave a buy. So it is a perfect confluence between all the three. Then you easily will make 40-50% profits with your option calls. So that's it. Whenever you trade options, all you need to do is wait for this price pulse buy, price pulse sell. Whenever you get a buy, you go and check what is the score. Is the score, whenever you get a buy, score should be as close as possible to the minus 70, minus 80. Then that's a good opportunity. Whenever you get a price pulse sell, the score should be close to plus 70, plus 80 or more. Then they are the best opportunities. Options for day trading, we use 5 minutes. If you want to do swing trading, we have to use 1 hour time frame. The yellow line is basically EMA 200 line. Generally, if price is above that, that means it is bullish. You look for buy signals. Whenever price is below that, generally we look for the sell opportunities or the sell signals. Yeah, that's it, everyone. Right. Again, if we follow that approach, right, especially in the morning time, because now the volume will be choppy. So you cannot do 5 minutes, 1 minute strategy in the evening time. But in the morning time, whenever you get this type of opportunity, right, with ES or NQ, just even if you just to follow ES every day, that is good enough. You don't even need to look at 10, 20 tickers, 10, 20 symbols. Every day ES will give you some two, three nice moves. So you wait for this type of opportunity where it is oversold. You get a PP buy. Then you go to 1 minute time frame. Whenever price comes to the T5 line, go long. Whenever it goes away, take profit. Again it comes, go long. Again it goes away, take profit. So whenever you see a red candle, you can go long. So you can repeat that strategy. Today many members made 7,000, 8,000, $9,000 using that strategy. Many of them completed evaluation accounts. So think of a scenario where you have 5 pro accounts and you make 5,000, 5,000 every day using the same strategy. Right? That is possible. Right? Yesterday I have shown you how we can make 5K to 10K within 1-2 hours using that strategy. Tomorrow also I'll try to do it. Today, yeah, yeah. Today also we made 7, 8,000, but again we took some choppy trades. We are had to take some stop loss. But yeah, I told you, right? There is the same strategy. 5 minutes, 1 minute strategy. Whenever you get a buy and oversold, go to 1 minute and then take the trades. Whenever price comes to the T5 line, go long. Whenever it goes away, take profit. Whenever it comes back, go long. So price will never move in one direction, right? Whether you use 1 minute time frame or use 5 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. So for example, here you see you got a buy, it will come back. Again, it went up. So yeah, in the evening time, it will be little choppy. You may not see exactly, but So in 5 minutes around 10:30 we got a buy signal. Here we'll get little early because 1 minute candle. So you got a right. If price is coming close to the T5 or price pulse line, and again right, you saw a red candle and then you saw a green candle. You can go long. Again it will go three, four candles up, one or two candles down. Again two candles up, one candle down, two, three candles up, one candle down. So that's it. Whenever it goes away, take profit. Whenever it comes close, enter long. Goes away, take profit. Comes close, enter long. That simple strategy will make you huge money. If it is buy, in the same way, if it is sell, price will drop, come back. Price will drop, come back to the red line. Price will drop, come back to the red line. You will use the same strategy, but here you will be shorting it. Whenever price comes to the T5 line, you will short it. You wait for a green candle and then you see a red candle, you short it. Right? In both the ways, you can make huge profits every day if you follow that simple strategy. First thing is in 5 minutes, you will wait for a buy or sell signal. Whenever you see a proper buy or sell in 5 minutes, go to 1 minute and you can keep on taking 10, 20 trades, and within 1 hour, you can easily make $2,000, 3,000 with each account. So tomorrow I'll demonstrate that again. But yeah. Yeah, blocks are like support and resistance. Every time frame, right? In 1 hour time frame, it will combine all the 5 minute blocks and show you as a big block. 5 minutes will combine all 1 minute blocks, small blocks, show them at a big price like that. So yeah, that's it, everyone. If you follow the strategy, follow the right. Sometimes we make mistakes with FOMO, with right. Sometimes with over trading, or sometimes but yeah, we have if we as you do more and more, the number of mistakes will get reduced as you keep following the rules. Right, our number of mistakes which we do will get reduced, and also yeah, uh, if we can once you make some nice profits, if you stop trading, that is better. Otherwise, most of the times, what happens is when you make nice profits and do trading, again market will take back. Right, one reason is generally our psychology will become overconfident and you will take some wrong decisions after certain time. After making some nice 2, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000 profit, we'll start making some mistakes. We'll go in the opposite way. Then market will take back all the profits we made. That's why once you make some good gains for the day, then you stop for the day and again repeat the same thing next day. Blue sky is also good one. So tomorrow we have PPI and also job report. So tomorrow also there can be a big up move. If Europe, if there is a big drop overnight, tomorrow morning we'll see a big up move. But in Europe, if there is a big up move, then tomorrow morning we'll see a drop with the news. So uh, yeah, right. You can plan your evaluation completion. So I will generally I start trading around 9 to 9:30. If market is looking choppy, I'll wait until 9:30. Otherwise, generally, yeah, if market is looking good, I'll start around 9 central. So yeah, tomorrow it's a major news, but again, you can see that in daily time frame, market was bearish, right? Maybe now, right from around 20th February, it became bearish. Right before that, you can see that from 17th Jan till 19th Feb, it was bullish, going up, up, up. Then last 2 weeks, it was going every day going down. Last half an hour, little bit up. Again going down. Last half an hour up. So we can see that it is in a daily time frame. It is still bearish. Once this starts moving up again, we may see a nice bounce in Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, Netflix. So now it is maybe a good time if you want for long-term investments. You can add some of those good quality stocks. because maybe in 1 week or so, we'll again see a nice bounce back. So even right, sometime back itself, I told that we are already at a overbought area in the daily time frame. Then there was a drop. Again, it went all the way up. Again, drop. So if you want swing trades, daily or hourly time frames will help you to know what is the overall, is it bullish or bearish. If you are a day trader, then generally we look at 5 minutes and 1 minute. If you are swing trader, daily and 1 hour, you will use this combination. So if you see Netflix or Meta or whatever, Netflix also you can see score went to 87 and then started dropping. Meta score went to 94, started dropping. Tesla, its score went to nearly 92, then it dropped all the way. Now it is at a bottom. So again, there is a high possibility for Tesla to go up in next 2 3 weeks. It's a good time to add Tesla stocks for long term. If you want to buy TSLL Tesla, this is a good time to buy. Maybe in next 2 3 weeks we'll see a nice move up. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia was very overbought, dropped, tried to go up. Now it is at a bottom. Maybe in next 1 week it will try to go up again. It came to the bottom and started moving up. So like this, if you explore, you can use indicators in so many different ways. Yeah, Nvidia bull put will make profits. Yeah, notifications, as I said, the first notification you will set is price pulse buy, price pulse sell. This is one notification you can set it. The second notification you can do is this T5 and the strong crossover. Right? Strong crossover means at the bottom or at the top. If you get a crossover, you will get a notification. So here you got a strong crossover. Right? So it said that there is a huge lot of overbought conditions wrong. So we took a shot and we made nice profits. Now again in some time we may get a right. It came to the bottom. It may start going up. Right? GC, there is a strong crossover. Right? It went to the top. We got a crossover. If you get this one and then you see nice gap, then you can go and enter short like that. So those two will help you. Yeah, that gap is very important. Yeah, basically Ninja Trader challenge, right? Yeah, today we made some 500, $600, so we can continue to do it. So, yeah, yesterday it was, we made profits. The first trade we took little away from the proper zone, but with NQ we made it, and then ES also again moved into profits. But yeah, we had to wait a lot of time. It was very slow. So because today we had the CPI, so market was very, very slow. So we had to spend a lot of time yesterday. But yeah, most of the days, if there are no major events, market we can quickly move and we can easily make $400, $500 during this time. So T5 will have you have two parts of T5, right? So you have this one is T5. Again, here also you have T5, the green and red line. So whenever it is dropping, you get a T5 sell, then drops, goes back, drops, goes back, drops, goes back. Whenever you get a buy, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So this is the T5 line. So T5 has two components. One is at the top, overbought, oversold. What is the score? Here, the green triangle means buy, bullish. Red triangle means bearish. Whenever you get a bullish, then you wait for these opportunities. You can go to 1 minute and you can take. Yeah, whenever that's what. If you go to T5 and set that notification, you will get a notification. Right? You go to T5 and set strong crossover. Then whenever it goes, you will get a notification. Or for every notification you want, not only red and green, even for white also you want, then you need to go and do this bullish cross, right? You have a crossover. That means for everything you will get a notification. When you do strong crossover, only for when it goes all the way to the top, when it comes all the way to the bottom, then only you will get the notification. Yeah, okay, everyone. Good night and talk to you tomorrow. Right? We can, yeah, if we wait, if there are no major sudden news or something, 85 to 90% we can make profits unless there are any black swan events or some sudden news or something. But yeah, if we follow the strategy, right, that's why once you understand, then even if I make a mistake, you can think like, oh, this is not following, so I will not. You don't need to take the trade, right? Here you got a buy. Here everything is oversold. We can take. That's a nice opportunity. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Trading view based on your plan. If you have a premium plan, it will allow you up to 400 plus notifications also. So it depends on your plan. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.